When running Google Ads, you'll often see the option to run ads on both the search network and the display network. While it might seem like a good idea to combine them in one campaign, it's usually recommended to keep them separate. But why is that? Let's break it down. Number one, different audience behaviors. The biggest reason for separating these campaigns is that the audience on each network behaves differently. People on the search network are actively looking for something, whether it's a product, service, or information. They're in search mode and often have high purchase intent. On the other hand, the display network shows ads to people who are browsing content and aren't necessarily looking to make an immediate purchase or decision. They may not even be thinking about buying yet, but your ad could spark their interest. So the two groups need different approaches in terms of messaging and targeting. Number two, customizing ad creatives and targeting. When you keep these networks separate, you have more control over each campaign's settings. On the search network, you can focus on text-based ads tailored to specific keywords. But for the display network, image or video ads work better since you're catching users' attention while they're browsing websites, watching videos, or using apps. You can also set more precise targeting for each campaign. On the search network, you target based on keywords. On the display network, you can target based on interest, demographics, topics, or even remarketing lists. This level of customization is hard to achieve when everything is combined into one campaign. Number three, budget allocation and performance tracking. Search and display campaigns typically have different performance metrics. Search campaigns usually see a higher conversion rate because users are actively searching for something specific. Display campaigns may have lower conversions but are great for brand awareness and reaching a wider audience. By separating the two, you can allocate your budget more effectively based on the performance of each. For example, if your display campaign isn't converting as well as your search campaign, you can adjust the budget without affecting the other network. Number four, campaign optimization. With separate campaigns, you can optimize each one based on its unique needs. If you notice that a particular ad on the search network is performing well, you can scale it up. If an ad on the display networking is underperforming, you can tweak it without interfering with the search-related ads. In short, keeping your display network campaigns separate from your search campaigns gives you more control and flexibility. You can optimize for different goals, manage budgets more effectively, and craft targeted messages that match the audience's intent. It's a simple way to improve your Google Ads strategy and get the best results from both networks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Google Ads tips. And if you need a bit of help with your Google Ads account, get in touch and see how we can help. See you in the next video.